Back at you with another Cooking Creations. This is Chef Brandon here, the executive chef at Four Winds Casino. We're in the beautiful Copper Rock, South Bend. We're coming at you with bacon. It's the king of meats. It's we're gonna do a little contribution to the swine delicacy. I want you guys to see, right now there's a lot going on with TikTok, some trends that are going on right now, and I want to bring something to you guys. It's a little twist on it. A lot of times you're seeing right now the twisted bacon. I like to fold it. It gives you that chewy. It gives you that crisp on the outside. We're gonna glaze it. So this is what we're doing today: is a sweet heat bacon bundle. Very simple, very easy. You can do it for breakfast. You can do it for lunch. You can put it with your Bloody Marys. You can do anything really with this thing. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. All right, let's get into the ingredients. So we got our Cajun seasoning, brown sugar, that'll be our rub for the bacon. We got a maple syrup, and we have some Dijon mustard, and that'll kind of be our glaze. Once we get it nice and browned up right away, we'll glaze it and then we'll finish it in the oven. So, and then we have the main attraction, bacon. So I prefer like an applewood smoked bacon, but really anything out there. Thick cut is probably a little more preferable. Just helps with the bite, helps so it stays a little chewy in the middle too. So, all right, let's get started. We're gonna first mix up our rub here. So I got the Cajun seasoning. And really, I mean, you see a lot of these trends right now where they're using like a crushed red pepper, some sugar. This is a take on it, but I like a little bit more seasoning with mine. So that's why I use the Cajun seasoning. It gives you that bite, but it also gives you a little bit more to the rub. And the brown sugar, that'll help with that caramelizing on there. And this is a super easy little rub. Just get them mixed up together like that. I usually break up that brown sugar a little bit with the whisk. Kind of see, I can even get my hands in there to rub them together to make sure they marry well together. All right, that's good to go. Now we'll start on our maple syrup and Dijon. Again, super easy recipe here. Got our Dijon mustard and our maple syrup. And this will, once that bacon's about halfway and it's looking good, this will help really caramelize and get it sticky on that bacon and bring a whole nother element to that dish. All right, you kind of see where I'm coming from with that. Boom, we're ready to go with the bacon. Super easy, like I said. When we're folding on this, it's about a 2-inch in diameter fold. I'm just trying to get them over, and then I usually tuck that last piece under, so it's not just sitting on its own. That simple. Boom. All right. You know what? Let's make this a little quicker. And there we have it. Man, I'm good. All right, let me show you guys what's up here. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a little rub on them. Like I said, we're gonna rub both sides of the bacon. Just sprinkle a little bit of our seasoning on there. We'll pat it down, make sure it's sticking well. And the sugar in that's gonna help caramelize on there. And the Cajun seasoning is gonna give it a little kick, a little flavor. And once we get both sides of this, then we'll get these in the oven, we'll get them baking off. And remember, halfway through, when we go to flip it, we'll pull it out and we'll put our glaze on it there. All right, we're gonna pop these bad boys in the oven. Should be about 20 minutes, we'll pull them out, we'll flip them over. Here we go. All right, we got these out the oven. Like I said, it was probably about 15 minutes just to get them to where they're at right now. I gave them a quick flip. I just flipped them all over. We're gonna go ahead and give them a quick coat of the Dijon, the maple Dijon. This will help, like I said, just caramelize on there, give them a nice sticky glaze, brings a whole nother element to the bacon. Like I said, with the Cajun brown sugar on there, this will go nice and smooth. I mean, really, this thing, bacon. It's funny because bacon is such a staple for breakfast, but it can really be utilized in every dish, from candied bacon on your salads and your desserts, to chocolate covered bacon, to bacon on sandwiches, bacon wrapped fillets and scallops. Bacon is so universal, so play with it because it's so delicious. Let me pop these back in the oven. I got 5 minutes. We're gonna come right back at you with these. And there you have it. The king of meat here, the sultan of the swine here. Man, I'm gonna show you a little bit of fun here. This is great for your tailgating parties, for like I said, Bloody Mary bar if you want. It goes great with that. Heck, you can even have it for breakfast if you really wanted to. You can substitute the bacon for, there's salmon bacon out there. There's vegan bacon. There's all kinds of different kinds of bacons too. Turkey bacon and everything else. So you can really, really alter this to your diet, but I would suggest trying this dish out. I can't help myself. I'm gonna have to take me a bite of this bad boy. But let me tell you first, I'm gonna let you guys go. This is Cooking Creations with Chef Brandon signing off. Have fun, try it out.